Model Rockets 321 here, back at the launch field. We will begin any moment, about to fly the SR-71 Blackbird Project X. And I have a Quest Aerospace, what is it, the X-30 with me. So we'll be flying that in a minute.
All right, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Whoa! It'll eject. I wonder if that was only one engine. One engine's missing, so it kicked one out. That was too quick. Model Rocks 321. So as you just saw, the SR-71 launch, I believe it kicked out one engine while it was thrusting, so it continued to have issues. Even this flyer right there is trying to check it out. So I was going to do another launch, but I'm unable to because this is the piston, the piece that protects the gases as it pushes the parachute out the back. It is broken and I don't have any kind of epoxy or glue or anything. So I'm going to have to put this SR-71 Project X Blackbird on hold again, but it will be a success, I feel. I was all getting prepared until I noticed the damage right there, so I can't fly with this piston loose like that. So I'm gonna just repair this whole piece, use stronger glue, epoxy or something like that. So once this all happens, man, it'll be a great day. Model Rocks 321, let's launch something. Right. Here we go, going in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Parachute came off. Fluttering down. Parachute came off though. All right, so there we have that. Parachute came off. Let's head out here. That was a strong push, or a strong punch by the engine. Pushed off the cone in the parachute. That's strange. Always something with rocketry, as you know. Let's see what we got. So there's the nose cone and the parachute. I see what happened. Singed. Right there, singed. Parachute never really even opened up either for this. Singed. I had plenty of wadding in there. Wow. Struggling out here today. Struggling in the rocket world, folks. Yes, it'll start beeping.
3, 2, 1.
Didn't go?
3,
Press and hold both.
3, 2, 1.
Crazy day. Fluttering down, no parachute. But it's coming down, it's tumbling down. What a day. Still a fairly soft landing. I haven't seen out one parachute out here today. It's kind of warm. It was kind of sticky putting the parachute in the rocket. And I don't have baby powder with me. Everybody know that trick. But decent day. So this will be the last one for today. Here we go. And I don't see the cone unless it's under the rocket parachute. The nose cone came off, possibly. And that's a rare looking cone. I'm gonna have to try to find one or find it out here. So let's see. So the X-30 nose cone is lost. That's a rare one. One can be made though. It's not, it's like a weird shape. Went right on there, so it snapped off, I guess. Rough day out here. The rocket gods are not smiling today on this 9/11 Saturday. Rest in peace to all the people who lost their lives on 9/11. Shout out to all the emergency responders or first responders rather. All right, so continue to look for this nose cone, and we shall see. So here we go with the end of launch recap. You saw everything that took place. Not a successful day. It was fun. It's always fun to get out there and fly rockets, but today was just crazy. Project X, as you saw, it kicked an engine. They were under thrust. I don't know what happened. I found the other engine actually. I actually found it. I went and walked and I actually found the other engine. What is this two? I found, yeah, this is the first two. It only launched one. So I found the other engine while looking for the nose cone for the X-30. X-30 lost its cone. While out looking for that, I found this golf ball. That's why that's here. So I just decided to bring it home, you know. So I found that. But this cone, I posted in the rocketry group. If you follow the, I think it's a Rocketry Fanatics or something like that. I asked if anybody have one or have a source for one, and a guy popped up, had an extra one, or he had one. Because I think he lost his. Something about this rocket, it likes to lose its cone. I don't know if it's the shock cord, maybe it need to be longer or something. But anyway, I have another one on the way. I paid him a couple bucks for it. He was generous enough to sell it to me. So it's on its way. I'll be working on getting this Blackbird back in the air. It works. I don't understand that chasing its tail stuff. This thing flies. I've seen it fly quite a few times. It just ripped the parachute off in the old days. But now I don't know what's going on, but I'm going to keep going until I get it to fly correctly. These are just burnt C67s. So that's where we stand. Model Rockets 321. Here's the parachute for this. It singed it. It's just a crazy day. Like I said, 9/11. Maybe nothing's supposed to fly on 9/11. I don't know. So that's how it goes. Everything's still intact. This is still good. Getting all beaten, getting all dinged up. It's getting personality little by little. X-30 still pretty good. It fluttered down. It hit. Yes, that's dirt. It's built really well, so it's just this shroud. Just need a new cone, which I'll get. Probably gonna extend this. I don't know. I'm gonna have to figure out this part. It's missing that shock cord because the cone just blew off and got lost out there. I'll probably find that another day while flying out there. So hope to be back in the air again soon. I'm gonna try to get some stuff built. I have what's over here? Okay, I got the golf ball gonna fall. I have this, the far side, which you guys you all know about. Far side. I got to get some so it's just need to be some sanding and some more primer. I mean, not primer, filler. Need some more filler and sanding. So I'll be working on the far side. Hopefully, got some other projects on deck. Still got to get this together. I'm like not satisfied until I get that thing worked out, and hopefully get a new cone for that and fly them again and be back out in the field. Anyway, like, share, and subscribe to the channel. It's Model Rocks 321. On Instagram, it's Model Rocks 321. The link is down there, which you can see. Thanks for watching, guys. Appreciate you. Drop comments and share it with a friend. Drop it in the group if you want. All right, guys. Peace.